हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू दिस सेशन। ये एक लाइव मार्केट सेशन है जो मैं आपके साथ कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सी नाउ हाउ टू लुक एट द मार्केट्स एंड हाउ टू फाइंड आउट। Welcome to this session. ये एक live market session. So I hope all of you are able to hear me loud and clear. And let's get started. So when you're going to talk about the markets, right? When you're going to talk about the markets, you have to understand that the market is trying to tell us a lot of things. So आज हम देखेंगे कि BTST approach कैसे adopt करे and how can we find out the BTST approach and how can we ensure that we are able to look at the market, right? So that's what we are going to do. We are going to see how to look at the BTST approach and find out if we are able to connect. So as we can see here, the market is currently is in a situation where we are trying to find out how to buy at lower levels. So currently we are observing that the market is not able to sustain the higher levels. So at such a point, what you got to do is you got to find out different ways to trade. So आज हम देखेंगे कि जो कंसेप्ट मैंने डिस्कस की थी अबाउट the whole scenario of Ichimoku. आज हम देखेंगे कि through Ichimoku how can we find out some BTST approaches, right? So buy today, sell tomorrow is our approach. So what we are going to do is we are going to find out how to get some BTST trades using NeoTrader. All right. So पहला situation क्या है? Right now market is under extreme stress. So market is under extreme stress and right now what is happening is that the market is not getting started. So in such a scenario, what are we going to do? We are going to now slip into a particular page of NeoTrader, which is the overall situation of understanding what kind of trade is getting set up for a BTST. So वो आता है हमारा page in expert alerts. Okay, in expert alerts is a page where I can get to see कौन से ट्रेड्स या कौन से सेटअप्स एक बीटीएसटी अप्रोच के साथ सेटअप हो रहे हैं और उससे हम क्या काम कर सकते हैं. सो ऑन दिस पेज देर आर लॉट ऑफ एक्सपर्ट्स, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस एक्सपर्ट्स जो यहाँ पर है एंड दीज टेक्निकल एनालिसिस एक्सपर्ट्स आर गिविंग अस सम आइडिया. ओके, दे आर गिविंग अस सम आइडिया ऑन what I need to do. So right now there are three tabs here. One is intraday, एक एंड ऑफ डे और एक एंड ऑफ डे फॉलो थ्रू. तो हम चलेंगे एंड ऑफ डे टैब पर एंड वी विल सी व्हेन आर वी गोइंग टू गेट सम trades that are going to be set up. So right now the trade is getting ready. So we will come back in next few minutes and then we will get to find out what are the trades that are getting set up. So right now based on the market setup, right, market जिस तरह से मूवमेंट दे रहा है वहां पर हमें दिख रहा है कि बुलिश स्टॉक्स बिल्कुल hardly anything is there. Many stocks are on the bearish side. So you can see here that there are some stocks that have entered into the bearish scenario. So जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे there are some stocks that are entered into the bearish scenario. So based on this situation, so what we'll do is we will create a watch list here. Okay, we will create a watch list here and then देर आर मल्टीपल वेज टू क्रिएट वॉच लिस्ट. तो ये वॉच लिस्ट का फायदा क्या है कि यू कैन कॉल दिस वॉच लिस्ट एनी वेयर यू वॉन्ट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड दिस टू अ वॉच लिस्ट. ओके, सो आई एम एडिंग टू अ डायनामिक वॉच लिस्ट विच सेज दैट BTST मोड बेरिश. तो ये एक वॉच लिस्ट बन गया है मेरा जहां पर मैं कह रहा हूं कि इसका BTST मोड बेरिश है. तो इस पर्टिकुलर वॉच लिस्ट में ये सारे स्टॉक्स जो है उसमें एक बेरिशनेस है और उस बेरिशनेस जो हम देख रहे हैं, राइट, उस बेरिशनेस जो हम देख रहे हैं इसको हम एनालाइज करेंगे थ्रू द लेंस ऑफ इचिमोकू. सो इचिमोकू वंस अगेन इज अ ट्रेंड फॉलोइंग इंडिकेटर और अभी हम चलेंगे इनटू इचिमोकू डैशबोर्ड. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स गो टू द इचिमोकू डैशबोर्ड एंड फाइंड आउट how to access the same. So I'll go into the Ichimoku dashboard and in the Ichimoku dashboard I am now going to select the particular watch list which was created which is expert alerts mode bearish. तो ये expert alerts पेज से हमने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है और अभी हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पर हम how can we get an assessment. So what I'm going to do is I am first going to see Now, based on the charts, right? मुझे करना है STBT, sell today and buy tomorrow. So first of all, I am going to see now the sell today, buy tomorrow stocks, and I am going to put on the score. So now I want to put on the bear scores, and I want to find out which stocks are in the range of 20 to 80. I don't want into oversold position, nor do I want something that is just getting started. So based on what I am seeing right now, okay. So based on what I am seeing right now, I can see that out of the stocks which were there are certain stocks here. So I am going to sort by the bearish score. So bearish score से मैं sort करूंगा जो बहुत कम स्कोर है. सो 20 से 80 तो मैंने डाल दिया है, बट देन बेस्ड ऑन दिस सिचुएशन, so I will try to select scores that are a little high. So now I can see here 20 to 80 is what I've done. So this is the range. So I can see that there are around 20 stocks here, right? So I am going to select here 20, and I am going to create a watch list here, which will say that these are the all the stocks that are in the bearish side. So these are the stocks that are having 20 to 80 जिसका स्कोर है. So ये जो वॉच लिस्ट है, ये वॉच लिस्ट एक वॉच लिस्ट बनेगा which will tell me this is certified by Ichimoku. So this is my BTST as per the Ichimoku. So ये एक watch list मेरा बन गया, and in this watch list I will add these stocks. So first I created the watch list where I identified all the BTST stocks from the expert alerts. और उस एक्सपर्ट अलर्ट्स पेज ने मुझे बताया कि ये सारे स्टॉक्स है जो आप बीटीएसटी के लिए या एसटीबीटी के लिए कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. नाउ दो सेट ऑफ स्टॉक्स आई हैव पुट इट इनटू दिस, एंड नाउ आई हैव गॉट दी स्टॉक्स दैट आर शोइंग मी सर्टेन डायरेक्शन. ओके. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to see now as so now what I'm going to do is I am going to go into the query window page. Okay, this will be my final call where I will find out कि अभी क्या इस particular list में momentum है कि नहीं. Correct. So what I am going to do, I am going to now select. Okay, I am going to now select that particular stock, the watch list. Okay, what is my watch list? My watch list is BTST as per Ichimoku. So I am going to select the stock BTST as per Ichimoku, and I am going to find out what happened in the last 5 minutes. Time is now 3:10. So I am going to find out in the last few minutes what is happening to the stock. Is there some short covering or is there some continued action? Right? I hope all of you got it. कि अभी क्या चल रहा है, अभी लास्ट फ्यू मिनट्स में क्या चल रहा है. इज देयर सम लास्ट मिनट एक्शन हैपनिंग, इज देयर सम सेलिंग हैपनिंग. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर फॉर एग्जांपल MFSL जो सवेरे से डाउन था, यहाँ पर अभी शॉर्ट कवरिंग हो रहा है. बट बजाज ऑटो में अभी भी थोड़ी सेलिंग आ रही है, बट नॉट मच. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर HCL टेक, देयर इज सम small selling here. Techem, there is some small selling here. So, but if you see here, this is Apollo Hospital, Hindalco. So now, if you want to take a trade, right, in the last 5 minutes, you can see that IT stocks में थोड़ी short covering आ रही है, but you can see that there are certain stocks like you can see that Apollo Hospital, which is having -0.19, -0.13. तो ये सब में थोड़ी मूवमेंट आ रही है. So now what I'll do, I will see for continued movement. I am now going to open and see that as we are nearing the end of the day, right? As we are nearing the end of the day, what is the movement seen from Camaria? So I am now going to open the Ichimoku filter, and I am seeing that based on the Ichimoku filter, I can see that there is some bearishness seen. Okay. Now I can see that there is some bearishness seen as we are nearing the end of the day in Reliance. Okay. There is some movement in Reliance. So Reliance can be one STBT because at the end of the day, you are seeing some movement based on the filter. Now you can see that the scores जहाँ पर high है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें देखना है the stocks, हमें देखना है the stocks that are having some continued dips या continued selling pressure. So यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि after the morning decline, okay, the decline is continuing in these stocks. So that's how we can identify some STBT. So you can see here that out of the stocks here, not much of action is happening barring Reliance में अभी movement आ रही है on the downside. So Reliance can be one STBT. There is some movement. Nestle में थोड़ी profit booking थी, but then you can see here now Nestle again is showing some short covering here. So I will not take Nestle. So this way I can find out that which are the stocks that are going down. So this is my list of stocks that are going short covering, and this is the list of my stocks that are going down. So now on the top, loser in the last 5 minutes. So let's refresh here. All right. So you can see here MFSL में भारी short covering आ रही है. Reliance increased from 0.19. So you can see here that the STBT is actually working. So this is 0.19 and the next STBT, okay, IT में थोड़ी नमी थी. You can see here this is the other STBT which is a potential, which is Wipro. Wipro is also showing some bearishness here. Now the third one is Nestle. So you can see here that जो stocks हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, अगर यहाँ पर से दिख रहा है और यहाँ पर से continued decline आ रहा है, so you can see that top candidate is Reliance, second candidate is Wipro, and third candidate is Apollo Hospital. Now Apollo Hospital, if I were to search here, let us see whether there was some. You can see here Apollo Hospital. There has also been some sufficient pressure here. So these three will be my STBT trades because based on the kind of filtration which I did, right? Based on the kind of filtration which I did, where I took from the expert alerts, right? This is a page from where I took the expert alerts. Expert alerts is the page from where I gathered the stocks on the end of day and I found out that so many stocks were bearish. ये मेरे रेडी सेटअप्स थे, दिस आर अवेलेबल एट 3 PM. और उसके बाद उन पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक्स को लेकर I moved on to my Ichimoku and I ensured that they are not getting oversold nor are they getting into a rally. Now, after I did it on the 30-minute chart, I went on to use the query window to find out कि क्या लास्ट 5 मिनट में क्या एक्शन हो रहा है. अगर मुझे वैलिडेट करना था तो मैंने रोलिंग टिकर भी ओपन कर लिया. तो ऐसे बिटवीन क्वेरी विंडो एंड रोलिंग टिकर आई गेट एन आइडिया कि मूवमेंट अभी भी हो रहा है. तो दिस वे आई नो दैट there is some movement happening. You can see here Reliance continues to go down, Wipro continues to go down, Nestle continues to go down. So what we are discussing is actually working, right? That is the power of neo trader when you do everything in a systematic step by step way. तो तीन हमने STBT डिस्कस किए क्योंकि मार्केट के संकेत थोड़े नेगेटिव है एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई थॉट दैट लेट मी शो यू अ वे इन विच you can use the process of our trading philosophy, which is identification, confirmation, and execution, and trade in a systematic manner. तो ये थे थोड़े STBT आपके लिए. I hope you liked what we discussed. If you like what we discussed, do share this video with as many people as possible, and do leave a like on this video because your love and support is what all of us look forward to, and that will help us to look at the markets and give you more interesting insights on how to look at neo trader and how to trade better. All right. So our we have interesting websites and drcknarayan.com where you get to learn about the market, right? And यहाँ पे आपको डॉक्टर नारायण के इनपुट्स मिलेंगे, राइट? एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू टू लुक एट द मार्केट्स इन अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप वे. तो अगर आपको मार्केट के बारे में जानना हो, आपको मार्केट के बारे में समझना हो और आपको मार्केट के बारे में ठीक तरह से देखना हो, so all you got to do is you have to just register on this website. The links have been shared on your chat box and we'll be happy to connect with you. ऐसे interesting sessions करते रहेंगे. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel so that you are notified and you are also educated. Thank you so much. Have a good day and I'll connect with you in the next series. Bye.